And I think if we looked at more code, like for example, this is, I think, a really good example of this whole function at a very quick glance, it stays at a single level of nesting. There actually is only one level of nesting for this whole function, and it's read essentially serially. And the reason why these are not additional layers of nesting is there's actually no additional scope, is you just check for these if, and if the if is valid, then you exit, and then it leads to the next. And so again, this is all very likely error checking. And then once all the error checking has been done, then you can perform the actual work, which is just a sequence of operations, and then you return whatever. So excellent. One level of nesting. Continue to go a little bit further. Similar thing. One level of nesting. Go further. And keep in mind, I hadn't looked at this code. I just have a sense for the Linux Foundation code, especially Linux and Git. I've noticed that they tend to be really good about following certain principles on keeping the code as simple as possible. And I do think that for large-scale software systems, especially those that are going to be critical systems, things like Linux or Git or the Mentor system or real-time systems, things like that, having the code be as simple as possible is likely going to help you quite a bit, because it will oftentimes help us spend significantly less time trying to understand the bug, and it will often make the defects that exist in the code far more obvious.